Mr. Michael, Social Studies teacher. This video is in two parts. The first part is the slides of the lecture notes. The second part is an explanation of the lecture notes. You can pause the video to copy the lecture notes onto your lecture notes outline. Make sure to answer the bonus questions at the end for a chance to get extra credit on the assessment. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. Mr. World War I. Slides for the lecture notes. Explanation of the lecture notes. The main causes of World War I. Europe's landscape is transformed by a strong sense of nationalism, where loyalty to one's nation becomes a powerful force. This nationalism fuels competition and rivalry among nations, setting the stage for potential conflicts. The Industrial Revolution accelerates, leading to significant advancements in competition. Nations vie for economic superiority, creating a tense environment of industrial and economic rivalry. Disputes over territories, notably Alsace-Lorraine and the Balkans, become sources of international tension. These regions are symbolic and strategic chess pieces in the larger game of European politics. In response to growing tensions, nations embark on an arms race, expanding their military capabilities. This militarism reflects a preparation for potential conflict, further escalating the atmosphere of distrust. The European powers engage in complex diplomatic maneuvers, forming alliances that create a web of mutual defense commitments. The shifting nature of these alliances adds to the precariousness of the situation. The spark. The Balkans, characterized by nationalistic aspirations and ethnic diversity, emerge as a volatile region. Serbia's opposition to Austria-Hungary's annexation of Bosnia and Herzegovina exemplifies the regional tensions that contribute to the broader European discord. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand in Sarajevo becomes the immediate catalyst for war. This event triggers a chain reaction among the network of alliances, leading to a rapid escalation into widespread conflict. War to end all wars. The intricate alliance system ensures that the Austro-Serbian conflict expands, drawing in the major powers into a full-scale war. Europe is divided into the Central Powers and the Allies, marking the beginning of a devastating global conflict. The Western Front is characterized by trench warfare, leading to a prolonged stalemate with significant casualties. The nature of warfare is transformed, with new military technologies and strategies defining the brutal conflict. As the conflict engulfs Europe, its ripples are felt worldwide. The Gallipoli campaign highlights the Allies' strategic aims and setbacks, seeking a vital supply line through the Dardanelles to Russia, only to face defeat. The war extends into Africa and Asia, where the Allies target German colonies. This global theater of war sees colonial subjects drawn into the conflict, contributing to the war effort far from the European front lines. Unrestricted submarine warfare by Germany, the sinking of the Lusitania, and provocations like the Zimmermann Note, shift American sentiment. Ties of culture and economy lean towards the Allies, leading to U.S. involvement in the conflict. Total war on the home front. Nations mobilize all resources towards the war effort, with governments taking unprecedented control over economies. Propaganda campaigns and the restriction of civilian goods underscore the total war mentality. Women step into roles vacated by men called to the front, transforming workforces and contributing significantly as military nurses. The end of war and a new world order. The Central Powers face setbacks and eventual collapse. The armistice signed in 1918 brings an end to hostilities, but the cost is staggering. Millions dead or wounded, economies ruined, and landscapes devastated. 1917 becomes a pivotal year as civil unrest in Russia leads to the abdication of the Tsar and the eventual Bolshevik takeover. The Eastern Front is altered as Russia exits the war, allowing Germany to focus on the West, yet the momentum is with the Allies. In the war's aftermath, the Allies debate the terms of peace. Wilson's idealistic vision clashes with desires for retribution against Germany. The Treaty of Versailles sets the stage for future tensions, with punitive measures that leave deep resentments. The peace treaties redraw the map of Europe and beyond, creating new nations and mandates from the remnants of empires. However, the peace is built on unstable foundations, with many feeling aggrieved by the outcomes, sowing seeds for future conflicts. The war's legacy is complex, marked by loss and disillusionment and the questioning of old social orders. The arts reflect a world forever changed, grappling with the war's profound impacts. Bonus questions. Use the information from this video to answer these questions. Enter your answers in the comments below. Which main cause do you think was the biggest cause of World War I? What new technologies were developed during the war?